My name is Bill Miller. I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama with offices in Anniston and Birmingham. As an elder law attorney, we frequently help families who are trying to get a loved one into the nursing home and qualify for Medicaid. And one of the most frequently asked questions we get from married people is, if my spouse goes into a nursing home, what assets can I keep? Well, Alabama and most states have a rule about how many assets you can keep. That's called the Community Spouse Resource Allowance. And in Alabama, that rule is that you, as the community spouse, or the one who's not going to the nursing home, can keep 1/2 of your total assets up to a maximum of $128,640 as of 2020. So if you've got $200,000 in assets, then you can keep $100,000, and then you have to spend down $98,000 of your spouse's assets before he or she could qualify for Medicaid. If you've got $400,000 in assets, you've got to get that spent down to about $256,000, and then you can keep half, and your spouse spends down to the $2,000. So the rule is that you can keep 1/2 of the total assets up to $128,640. You can also keep your home, one car, all your personal effects and things like that. But everything else in Alabama counts: IRAs, savings, CDs, investment accounts. So if you have other questions, I encourage you to watch our other videos. You can also check out our website, which is going to come on the screen there, or give us a call, and we're more than happy to sit down with you and discuss your situation and see how we can help maximize what you can keep and all of your resources so that you ease the burden if your spouse is going into a nursing home.